I'm going to try to make this as fast as possible with new information. This is an afternoon update. Going to do another one later on. So you get 3 today, but it is coming up on 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we have new information that at least I need to share with you right now. We have a winter storm warning in effect, and something else that's very important too. 2 things. Make sure you have that conversation with your kids and tell them to stay off of frozen ponds. We're looking at multiple days below freezing, and ponds will freeze over. There was a tragedy in Vermont. There was a frozen pond. An 8-year-old fell into the pond on the ice. Thankfully, a state trooper was able to get there and heroically went into the pond and saved that 8-year-old, and complete hero. So it was, it was. I don't know how they're doing, but I know that the state trooper is okay, and so is the child. We want to prevent any accidents. Also, if you're on the highways, star ASP or star 277, and this is in case something happens and it's not an emergency. If it is an emergency, you call 911, of course. But if you slide in a ditch or something like that and you need help, something like that, and you don't need emergency services, dial that number, star ASP, star 277. But again, if it is an emergency, if you're hurt, something like that, if you're in an emergency, call 911. All right, winter storm warning is now in effect for the entire state except Benton County, so it's basically the entire state. Snowfall amounts and timing of this. I'm going to zoom in. I didn't have a chance to do that when I was setting this up, but I'm going to zoom in on Arkansas, and I'll tell you when I'm starting this out. But there it is. So this is noon Sunday. Watch the snowfall amounts accumulate. This isn't future radar. This is from the National Weather Service, and it's predicting here the snow that's going to be falling with this, the total amount. So we'll start this at noon tomorrow, and then between noon and 6 p.m., it does show a ½ an inch across central and Arkansas, up to 2 inches in northern Arkansas. That's a wave of moisture coming. There's really kind of 2 waves of moisture, but this is, again, this is called the National Weather Service National Digital Forecast Database Output. It's updated hourly. By 6 p.m. to midnight, accumulations increase to around 2 inches in spotty amounts in central Arkansas. Southern Arkansas is getting snow according to this, 2 to 3 inches northern Arkansas, and then it adds up through Monday morning. And it has here by late Monday, snowfall amounts in an area across southern and southeastern Arkansas of up to 6 inches. Now, with that said, the winter storm warning is for 3 to 5 inches. So this may be a little too high, but you see the general area that's going to get the most. So you get wave across northern Arkansas, and then another wave, that's tomorrow. And then early Monday morning and Monday, you get the next wave across southern Arkansas and central Arkansas, but especially in areas that don't typically get a lot of snow, mainly south and east of the metro, but the metro gets it. But again, these amounts may be inflated just a little bit, but you see where this is going. The winter storm watch, again, calls for accumulations of 3 to 5 inches in central Arkansas, a little bit higher south and east. All right, just want to share with you the newest information, and as always, thank you for your trust, and thank you for your loyalty.